देखो, प्रियम्बल, सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ प्रियम्बल, इंट्रोडक्शन। प्रियम्बल सर्व्स एज इंट्रोडक्टरी statement to Indian Constitution, reflecting the fundamental values and objective of the nation. It outlined the guiding principle that shape the Constitution and the goal intended by the framers. ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्टरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, सेव द इट गाइडिंग प्रिंसिपल दैट सेव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड गोल्स इंटेंडेड बाई फ्रेमर्स. The preamble is the key to the minds of makers of the constitution. The preamble is the key to the minds of the makers of the constitution. मतलब preamble एक तरह से की तरह काम करेगा. preamble is the key to the mind of the maker of constitution. ये डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर ने बोला. बॉडी देखते हैं, ठीक है. सिग्निफिकेंस देखते हैं. Significance of preamble. Declare India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Established key objective: justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, equality of status and opportunity, and fraternity, ensuring dignity of individual and unity and integrity of the nation. तो हमें सबसे पहले देखना है सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ प्रीएम्बल. सबसे पहले डिक्लेयर्स इंडिया एज ए सोवरेन, सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर, डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. डिक्लेयर्स इंडिया एज ए सोवरेन सोशलिस्ट, सेकुलर, डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. इस्टेब्लिश की ऑब्जेक्टिव्स: जस्टिस, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल, लिबर्टी ऑफ थॉट, एक्सप्रेशन, बिलीफ, फेथ, वर्शिप. BFW. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, ensuring dignity of individual and unity and integrity of nation. Fraternity क्या होता है? Ensuring dignity of individual. आप एक इंडिविजुअल हो, आपकी अपनी डिग्निटी है, ठीक है. और यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द नेशन. अब हम आते हैं, पहले तो लिख दिया प्रीएम्बल इज द की टू द माइंड ऑफ द मेकर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अब इसमें है liberty, equality, fraternity. They form a union of trinity. Liberty, equality, fraternity. Left. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. They form a union of trinity in the sense that to divorce one from other is the defeat of the very purpose of democracy. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. They form a union of trinity in the sense that to divorce one from other is the defeat of the very purpose of democracy. डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर. अब हम आते हैं लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी. लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी एक तरह से दे आर फॉर्म अ यूनियन ऑफ ट्रिनिटी. यूनियन ऑफ ट्रिनिटी, ये यूनियन ऑफ ट्रिनिटी है. Union of Trinity in the sense that the divorce of one from another is the defeat of very purpose of democracy. ये हमें ध्यान रखना है. इसको हम इंट्रोडक्शन की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्या? लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी. दे फॉर्म अ फॉर्म ऑफ यूनियन ऑफ ट्रिनिटी इन द सेंस दैट टू डिवोर्स वन फ्रॉम अनदर, इज द डिफीट ऑफ वेरी पर्पस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. In a sense that to divorce one from another is the defeat of the very purpose of democracy. डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर. अब हम देखते हैं जुडिशियल इंटरप्रिटेशन. सबसे पहले हो गया सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ प्रीएम्बल. अब जुडिशियल इंटरप्रिटेशन. इन केशवानंद भारती केस 1973, the Supreme Court held that preamble is the part of the Constitution. It reflects the basic structure of the Constitution, which cannot be amended or destroyed. The preamble is of extreme importance. It declares the aim and the aspiration of the people. The preamble is of extreme importance. The preamble is of extreme importance. It declares the aim and aspiration of people. Supreme Court of India. Berry Union case of 1960 initially held that preamble is not a part of Constitution, but this was overturned in केशवानंद भारती केस. Preamble is of extreme importance. Preamble is of extreme importance. It declares the aim and aspiration of the people. ठीक है. अब आते हैं गाइडिंग रूल. Though not legally enforceable, the preamble serves as a guide for integrating constitutional provision, interpreting constitutional provision, resolving legal ambiguity and upholding constitutional value in governance and जुडिशल डिसीजन मेकिंग। तो हमने अभी तक ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद हम देखते हैं क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ प्रीएम्बल नॉन जस्टिफाइबल है। प्रीएम्बल इज़ नॉट लीगली इन्फोर्सेबल इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ। द प्रीएम्बल इज़ नॉट अ सोर्स ऑफ पावर, it is a source of light. Preamble is not a source of power, it is a source of light. Insert of the term, the addition of socialist and secular through the addition of socialist and secular through 42वां constitutional amendment of 1976 has been criticized and as politically motivated and insisted that the original intent. Critics argue that socialism has lost relevance in globalized economy. अच्छा, आपने सोशलिस्ट वर्ड ऐड कर दिया, लेकिन सोशलिज्म तो critics argue that socialism has lost relevance in globalized economy. Ambiguity, term justice and fraternity are broad and open to interpretation, which can lead to misuse or misapplication. Overemphasis on idealism. Critics argue that preamble set overly idealistic goals that are difficult to achieve in practical governance. It is a notable yet imbalanced set of ideals. It is notable and yet imbalanced set of ideals. ठीक है. Conclusion. Despite criticism regarding its legal standing, political amendments, its symbol and interpretation values remains central to the Indian constitutional framework. The preamble is the reflection of the dream and aspiration of founding father of constitution. Justice H.R. Khanna. The preamble is the reflection of dream and aspiration of founding father of constitution. Justice H.R. Khanna. ठीक है, तो हमने अभी तक देखा इम्पोर्टेंस में, इंट्रोडक्शन देखा, सिग्निफिकेंस देखी, फिर देखो लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी, दे फॉर्म अ यूनियन ऑफ ट्रिनिटी इन द सेंस that to divorce one from another is to defeat the very purpose of democracy. Judicial interpretation समझ गए हम, criticism भी समझ गए, conclusion ठीक है। अब हम आते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन। Critically examining the relevance of preamble. The preamble serves as the identity card of constitution. N.A. Palkiwala, identity card of constitution. The preamble serves as identity card of the constitution and is based on objective resolution passed in 1946 moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in Constituent Assembly. It encapsulates the essence of Constitution and inspired by U.S. Constitution. It encapsulates essence of Constitution and inspired by U.S. Constitution. Eminent personality have expressed the significance of Constitution in various ways. N.A. Palkiwala, identity card of Constitution. Sir Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer, the preamble expressed what we had thought or dreamed so long. K.M. Munshi, the horoscope of our Constitution. Pandit Thakur Das Bhargav, the soul, the key and jewel of Constitution. Keynote of Constitution, Sir Ernest Baker ने बोला keynote of Constitution. M. Haditullah, former CGI, a solemn resolve and alterable only by revolution. A solemn resolve है, alterable only by revolution. The main ingredient of preamble, source of authority, the people of India is reflected in we the people of India. Nature of state, India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Objective, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Date of adoption 26 नवंबर 1949. ठीक है। Key term of preamble and their significance. Sovereignty. Sovereign. India is independent and not under any foreign power. Membership of UN and Commonwealth does not affect Indian sovereignty. 100th Constitutional Amendment 2015, इंडिया बांग्लादेश लैंड बाउंड्री एग्रीमेंट. सोशलिस्ट की बात करते हैं. एडिड बाई 42वां संविधान संशोधन 1976. इंडिया सोशलिज्म इज डेमोक्रेटिक सोशलिज्म. blend of public and private enterprise, not communist socialism inspired by Marxist and Gandhian socialism. Example देखो, directive principle of state policy, secular, added by 42nd Amendment of 1976. The Supreme Court, secular मतलब कोई रिलीजन नहीं. The Supreme Court 1974 held that even before this edition the Constitution inherently intended a secular world state. For example, fundamental rights, right to equality, right to freedom of religion. ठीक है. Democratic. India follow a representative parliamentary democracy where executive is responsible to legislation. ठीक है. The term includes political, social and economic democracy. For example, indirect democracy through election, role of referendum in direct democracy. Republic. India is a democratic republic, meaning no hereditary monarchy. Public offices are open to all. For example, unlike UK, where monarchy is head of state. Objective of preamble. Justice. Objective of preamble. सबसे पहले अभी हम क्या कर रहे थे, हमने देखा कि की टर्म्स देख रहे थे. ठीक है. एंड इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस. मेन इंग्रेडिएंट हो गया की टर्म्स एंड इट्स सिग्निफिकेंस. अब ऑब्जेक्टिव्स देखो, ये नेचर बता रहा है. ठीक है. अब ऑब्जेक्टिव देखो, जस्टिस बोरोड फ्रॉम यूएसएसआर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सोशल जस्टिस, equal treatment without discrimination. Economic justice, no discrimination based on economic factor. Political justice, equal political right and participation. Liberty, borrowed from justice तो समझ गई यूएसएसआर से. Liberty फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन से. Freedom of thought expression, belief, faith, worship. Freedom of thought expression, belief, faith, worship. Ensured through fundamental right. French Revolution. Equality, borrowed from French Revolution. No special privileges. Equal opportunity for all. Covers civic, political and economic equality. Fraternity, borrowed from French Revolution. Promote brotherhood and national unity. Ensured through single citizenship and fundamental duties. Example है डॉक्टर के.एम. मुंशी emphasized dignity as a core constitutional body. ठीक है. Preamble, philosophical key to constitution. हमने पहले तो ये देख लिया ऑब्जेक्टिव. प्रियम्बल, फिलोसफिकल की टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हमें फिलोसफिकल की है. देखो, इट embodied the idea of objective resolution 1946. The Supreme Court has highlighted its significance in constitutional interpretation and though not legally enforceable, it serves as a guiding principle for constitutional provision. Preamble as a part of constitution. सबसे पहले बेरूबेरी यूनियन केस 1960. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूल्ड दैट preamble is not a part of constitution. केशवानंद भारती केस ऑफ 1973. सुप्रीम कोर्ट रिवर्स्ड its stand and held that preamble as a part of the constitution. केशवानंद भारती केस हो गया. LIC of India case of 1995 reaffirmed the preamble's constitutional status. However, it is not a source of power for legislative or nor a prohibition upon legislative power. However, it is not a source of power for legislation nor a prohibition upon legislative power. ठीक है. It is non-justable and non-enforceable in court of law. Preamble and its amendability. Keshwanand Bharti case of 1973. Fundamental feature of constitution cannot be altered. Preamble has been amended only once by 42nd Amendment Act of 1976, adding socialist, secular and integrity. Conclusion. अच्छा, socialist, secular and integrity. Fraternity पहले से था. ठीक है. Conclusion. The preamble is the most precious part of the constitution. It is proper yardstick with which we can measure the worth of the constitution. The Supreme Court upheld the dignity of individual when striking down Section 77 of IPC. Preamble continue to be a guiding light in constitutional interpretation, reflecting India's democratic ethos and aspirations. ठीक है.